Good morning to all our traders around the world, of course, and right here and now. I have a hourly chart on BKNG. The highs that were put up, that was right around 1928. So basically, buying the 1900 put options paid big. Yesterday, 2 days ago, we made the highs up here and it wouldn't take it out. Very strong resistance. We started with the gap down confirmation, and then each one of these 60-minute bars just kept getting bigger, bigger, and bigger, and we hit a support level down here. So that low of that support level is going to be 1866. So I'm going to also show you a put chart, put options, how to beat the market makers. We are a market maker. But how can you beat them? You can beat them with us. So basically, we've hit a bottom down here, and now we are going to take our profits. And this is on a 60-minute daily chart, BKNG, formerly known as Priceline. Once again, this trade that we got into, when we had gap down over here, there was a gap down, and that was on 7.3. And that low was 1918. The counter trend to the gap, which is called the left elbow gap, we went straight up on a 60-minute chart. When we topped out here, that's when the put options could be bought. And they have to have a qualifier that qualify when they gap down, like they did here. And you always have to have that. So we just want you to know this is what it looks like so that you can see that gap down, all based on 60 minutes. And you can see where the bottom is right now. And we're right there. This is a major support level where we had other gaps up in BKNG and whatnot. Identifying the trend, identifying the imbalances between call markets and put chart markets and all of that is the key to being successful. So this trade started out when we came up and it wouldn't break higher. That was the move down on that 60-minute right here. That's the confirmation, and then the put options, $1,920 put options or 1,900 put options, which were down here. They would have been referred to as out of the money based on where BKNG trend is actually going to go. We're market makers in the options. It's not a public model, believe me. And we invite you, and we really do, take responsibility for who you are. Take responsibility of what has happened to you in these markets. There is a way out with this. That's why we go through the trouble to make sure that you understand the kind of gimmicks that are used in the option market pit around the country in different exchanges.